Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I brought you this exciting product from LIHTUN. This is a cigar humidor. It has a glass top desktop humidor box. It comes with a cedar wood cigar case with a digital hygrometer, humidifier measuring scale, and Cigars accessory drawer. So let's check this out. It has a ruler so you can measure how long is your cigar. So this is a 6-inch cigar, LIHTUN cigar humidor. Nice design. So this is upgraded humidor box design. You can estimate your cigar's ring gauge. This is a 33 gauge metal accessory, 52 ring gauge metal accessory, and this is a digital temp and humidity meter. And push power to 58 degrees inside, and it's 23.3 Celsius. More moisture, close it. If you want less moisture, open it up. It also comes with a removable divider, so separate different type of cigar for storage. It comes with a user manual, so open this up. In that hole, pour all this in there and use the spout, use the distilled water to drop some liquid in there, and that's how this becomes a humidifier. More important cigars on this side, maybe cheaper cigars on this side. Smooth wood grain finish, comfortable to the touch. Over here, cigar accessory drawer. Store your cigars, cutter, punches, cigar lighters under 1.1 inch thick, and other cigar accessories here. Kind of like this and this. Put it in there, close it. So again, every detail carefully crafted. From here to here, it's a perfect seal. And it comes with a visible glass top, 90 degrees metal hinge, and it's very, very high quality. I know a lot of humidor has digital hygrometer, but it has a temperature also. It smells wonderful because it's constructed with a cedar wood interior. 9.06 inches by 7.09 inches. The height is 3.97 inches. So check this product out. Thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.